Now, I have now stopped in the village of Avebury in Wiltshire, and Avebury is known for one thing and one thing only, and that is the stone circle, one of the oldest stone circles, and this entire village has been built within it, so it's quite unusual to see, and it's such a big stone circle. I don't know whether we can really appreciate it by walking around it, but what we'll do is we'll try and go above it. The village of Avebury sits in the county of Wiltshire, and the village is built within a Neolithic stone henge, or better known as a stone circle. The site of Avebury is set within the centre of several Neolithic and Bronze Age sites. These sites include Silbury Hill and West Kennet Long Barrow. It is estimated that the henge was built in around about 3000 BC. Then later rings were added at 2900 BC and 2600 BC. Avebury Stone Circle is 1,000 metres in circumference and one of the largest stone circles in the UK. Later, two other circles were constructed, one at 108 metres circumference and the other 98 metres circumference. And the two avenues were built that lead from the stone circle itself, and they're known just simply as the Avenue. In the 13th century, feelings began to change about the stones, and certain priests thought these stones were the work of the devil. So much so, they decided to dig a big pit and topple most of the stones, burying them completely, which was no easy task, especially when some of them are 3 metres tall and weigh up to 13 tonnes. All of the villagers of Avebury all came together to topple these stones by digging these huge holes out ready. Unfortunately, one day, one of these holes, the side gave way and crushed a man underneath the stone. The stone was too big to remove and unfortunately was left there. He wasn't found until the 1930s when they excavated the hole and found that this man actually was the local barber. With the villagers witnessing such an horrific death, they decided not to carry on with this programme of toppling these stones, and it was left. So the small village of Avebury sprung up in and around the stones during the 17th and 18th century, and some stones were actually broken up and used for building materials to build these houses. And during the 1930s, many stones were re-erected, and some 15 stones still remain buried under the circle forever. The site is now cared for by the National Trust, and Avebury Stone Circle is truly monumental. I really hope you've enjoyed this series of Steve's Monumental adventure. Join us in Series 2 next year, where we have a whole host of brand new locations, and look out for our teaser video coming very soon to the channel, where you can see some of the locations that we're going to visit in Series 2. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click and like and subscribe to the channel, because it really makes a difference. And thank you for watching Steve's Monumental Adventures.